Welcome back to Aptitude series. This is Mahesh. In this session, we are going to see VBODMAS, the BODMAS rule. Okay, we know that BODMAS rule is just nothing but there is an order to solve the operators. Okay, we have operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In these operators, which one we have to solve at the beginning and then which one at the end in an equation is what we are going to see. Okay, let's get started. What are the words and what is its meaning? First, we will see that. Okay, VBODMAS. VBODMAS. V is vinculum bar. Vinculum bar. What is vinculum bar? So this is also nothing but a bar which should be solved at first. For example, so I have given the example. So same examples with operators, different operators in all the operators I have given. So example, so bracket 15 into 25 percentage of 50 minus 12 into 20 plus 21. In this process, this bar means you have to do that bar at first. Inside the bar is what you have to solve at first. If the equation is there, there is one bar means you have to solve that bar part as at first. Okay. After that, you have to move on to the next part. Okay. What you have to solve after the bar? Next one is brackets. In brackets, there is an order to solve the brackets, curly brackets and set brackets and then the other brackets, so round brackets. So first you have to solve inside this bracket, after that set brackets, so after that the curly brackets. Okay, this is the order. Same question with some different operators is given here. So brackets means first this should be solved, after that set brackets, after that curly brackets. Okay, done. Next, O, which is nothing but off. Off means nothing but product. So we know that 25 percentage of 100, 25 percentage of 100, 40 percentage of 70. So we know that 40 percentage, which is nothing but 40 by 100. We always know that percentage means divided by 100. 40 by 100. That off should be cancelled with multiplication into 70. 40 divided by 100 into 70. That is what we have been using in unknown. Okay. Same thing. Off is nothing but product. If a multiplication should be solved before a division means we will use off. So division, after that only we are going to use multiplication. The same multiplication should be solved before division means we will not use the product symbol. Instead of that, what we will use? We will use off. Okay, that is what given here. The example is same example. Off is here. Okay, done. Next, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. You know that. So division is, so what you denominator, numerator and denominator. So division should be solved before multiplication, addition and subtraction. And then multiplication only should solve before addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction you can solve in any order. Okay, no wrong will be there. Only addition and subtraction is there in your equation means you can solve in any order. Anyway, you will get the same answer. Okay, that's all. So this is VBODMAS. You have to remember this. This is the easiest topic in maths. Okay, this is in an order you have to solve. If you change the order, the value will change. If you solve this, so instead of 15 into 25 percentage, for example, we'll take some other example. So here inside this bar, you have to solve 50 minus 12 into 20. In this, you have bar for 50 minus 12. So you have to solve this first. If you take the bracket first, then what will happen? You automatically multiply first. After that, only you will come for the subtraction. That is wrong. So if there is bar, you have to do this first. So 50 minus 12 is what you have to do. After that, the value will be multiplied with 20. Okay, there is no change. So this is the order. In this order only you have to solve. Let's get into an example. The first example. Solve bracket 10 into 50 percentage of 25 percentage of 50 minus 15 into 20. Bracket closed. Divided by 5. Set bracket closed plus 21. Curly bracket closed. So first what you have to do? Inside the bar. So bar, after that brackets, after that off, after that only multiplication, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, we'll solve in that order. So first what you will do, first step is, so you will write down 10 into 50 percentage of 25 percentage of, so 50 minus 15 is what? First you have to solve. So 50 minus 15, you will get 35 into 20 divided by 5 plus 21. That's it. The first line over. What you have to do next? Next step is you have to multiply inside this bracket. After that, this bracket should be solved. After that only the last bracket should be solved. So first this bracket. So inside that 10 into, again I am writing it. So 25 percentage of 35 into 20. What is that? 700. We know that. 700 divided by 5 plus 21. Here what you will do? So next step, will you do division or off? Which one you have to do? Off is what you have to do at first. Which means you have to find out 25 percentage of 700 before dividing it with 5. Okay. So you should not do 700 divided by 5 at first and then finding 25 percentage of it. That will give you a wrong answer. So 10 into 50 percentage of 25 percentage of 700. What is 25 percentage of 700? 10 percentage is 70. 20 percentage is 140. 5 percentage is 35. 140 plus 35, 175. 175 divided by 5 plus 21. So that's it. So now you can divide it by 5. So what you will get? 10 into 50 percentage of 175 divided by 5. How many times of 5 is there in 17? 3 times. Remainder 2. So 35 plus 21. So next bracket, you can remove the bracket because you have only one value inside this, means you don't need bracket. So now what you will do? 10 into 50 percentage of 35 plus 21. What you will do? Plus or off or multiplication. You have to do off. So which is nothing but percentage. 10 into 50 percentage of 35. Half of 35. What you will get? 17.5 plus 21. Now what you will do? Multiplication or? Sorry, this is the curly bracket, right? Yeah. What you will do next? You have to multiply or add. You have to multiply. So then you can write this as 175. 10 into 17.5, 175 plus 21. So now you can add 175 plus 21, 196. That's all the solution. Okay, that's it. You have to solve in an order. That is what you have to follow. So next question. So pause this and solve, and I will solve that as well. Okay, done. So first step, what you have to do? Here brackets off and all there. So first inside this bracket you have to solve. Okay, done. First step. So 4 by 5 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2 of 2 by 6 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. What you will get? The denominator as 4. So when you take denominator as 4, I am removing because I am going to add these two. So 4, you will get 2, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 4. So that's it. So first step over. The second step is between these two. First you will do off or plus. You will do off. So next step is 4 by 5 plus 3 by 4 minus off means nothing but product. That is what I told you. So 3 by 2 into 2 by 6 plus 3 by 4. So you can cancel this. 3 with here you will get 2 times of 3 is 6 and 2 with 2 you will get 1. 1 by 2 is what you will get here. So next step is 4 by 5 plus of 3 by 4. So here you will get 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. When you add these two, you can remove this bracket. So add these two, that is the next step. So 4 by 5 plus of 3 by 4 minus, inside this if you add, you can remove that bracket, curly bracket. So divided by 4. So denominator 4 because common. So 2 plus 3, 5 by 4. So this is the wrong bracket. So that's it. So cancelling this, you will get 4 by 5 plus of what you will get 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4. Denominator 4 minus 2 by 4. So inside that minus 2 by 4 is there, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 you will get. That's it. The last step is 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So because you can remove that bracket, 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So that's the last bracket you have. So denominator is 10. When you take 10, here 4 will become 8, and then here this will become 5. So 3 by 10, which is nothing but 0.3. So answer for this question is 0.3. That's all. Okay. You have to follow this order to solve mathematical equations. Okay. Whenever you have equation in all the places, we have to solve in this order only. When it comes to maths, you have to use VBODMAS. So that is the rule. Okay.